Welcome to Tech World channel. In this video we are learn about operators in Java. Before going to video, if you didn't subscribe this channel, press subscribe button below. Before going to look about operators, we will see what is an expression. Expressions are the simplest form of statement in Java. The expressions return a value that can be assigned to a variable. For example, x plus 15. Count by 2. Total -1. num1 plus num2, by 2. Let's see what is operator. Operators are special symbols used in expressions. They are categorized into several groups. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, bitwise operators, comparison operators, logical operators, arithmetic operators. Java has 5 basic types of arithmetic operators. Each of them takes 2 operands, one on either side of the operator. Let's see how to use these operators. I'll declare a variable a and initialize it to 5. For variable b, 2. Now we'll see addition. I'll add a and number 4. For subtraction a minus b. For multiplication b into 5. For division a by 2. For modulus 10% sign 6. I'll type another example for division 5 by 2. Let's see results. A plus 4, that means 5 plus 4 equals to 9. A minus b, 5 minus 2 equals 3. b into 5, 10. A by 2, and 5 by 2 give 2, but correct answer is 2.5. It's because of a and 5 are integers, so it returns an integer value. We'll try it with a double variable. Declare a double variable c and initialize it with 5. Divide c by 2. The correct answer. And if, divide 5.0 by 2 it gives 2.5. Ten modulus 6 gives remainder after 10 divided after 6. Try another example 10 modulus 3. Ten divided by 3 is 3, and remainder 1, so answer should be 1. Next, assignment operations. Let's try these with the examples. I'll declare 2 integers x and y, and assign 6 for y. Use x equals y. It will assign value of y to x, which is 6. Also we can use this x sign directly into to the system.out.println. Let assign 2 for x and, try x plus equal y. I'll use it directly inside print. It shows an error. Since there is another plus which is used for concatenating operator, we have to separate our expression by using brackets. It's good to use our expression outside. Now try x minus equal y. Before using this expression x is 8, because it's changed from 2 to 8, by the first expression. Let's print x, new value of x should be 2. Next, try x asterisk equal y. It will assign 2 into 6, 12 for x. Next try x forward slash y. It will assign new value for x, 12 by 6, 2. I'll assign a new value 15, for x and then try to get result of x percentage, equal y. It'll assign value 3, which is reminder of 15 by 6. Next type is increment and decrement operators. Operators are used to increase and decrease a value by 1 respectively. These operators can be prefixed or postfixed. Let's try this code to understand these operations. I'll declare and initialize an integer as 10. First I'll try post increment. When we execute post increment, it returns its original value 10, and after that it increases its value by 1. For pre-increment first it add 1 and, then returns value 11. I'll use another method to check decrement operation. I am declaring an integer b, and initialize it with pre-decrement of a. Let's see the values of a and b. Value for b assigned after decrement of a. For post decrement assigned before the decrement. Therefore now a is 9 and b is 10. Next operator is, comparison operator. Comparison operators are used to test the equality and magnitudes. All the expressions return a Boolean value. Let's try with this example. Value of a equals 10 should be true. Value of a not equals 10 should be false. Value of 5 less than 3 should be false. Value of 10 greater than 3 should be true. Value of a less than or equal 10 should be true. Value of a greater than or equal 11 should be false. Next logical operation. An operator. It returns true only if both sides in an expressions are true. If any side fails, the operator returns false. Or operator. It returns true at least any side in an expression is true. If both sides fail, the operator returns false. XOR operator. It returns true only one side in an expression is true. If both sides are true or both sides are false, the operator returns false. Not operator. The value of not is the negation of expression. This picture shows brief of logical operators. Next, bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform operations on individual bits in integers. Bitwise n, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, are apply n, or, XOR operation each to individual bits in integers. Left shift and right shift are shifts bits to left and right. Bitwise complement performs complement in each bits. Thank you for the watching. If you enjoy the video, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.